Types of nutrient cycle. Based on replacement period, nutrient cycle referred to as perfect. So it is based on replacement period. Okay, a perfect nutrient cycle is one in which nutrients are replaced as fast as they are utilized. If it gets slow, then it's not a perfect cycle, then it is imperfect cycle. Most gaseous cycles are generally considered as perfect cycles. In contrast, sedimentary cycles are considered relatively imperfect, as some nutrients are lost from the cycle and gets locked into sediments and so become unavailable for immediate cycling. Of course, we know that. And based on the nature of the reservoir, a nutrient cycle is referred to as gaseous or sedimentary cycle. Gaseous cycle. Reservoir is the atmosphere or hydrosphere, water cycle, carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, etc. And sedimentary cycle. The reservoir is the earth crust. Soluble elements mostly found in earth's crust. Phosphorus cycle, sulfur cycle, calcium, magnesium. So phosphorus, sulfur, calcium, magnesium, they all come under sedimentary cycle. What about gaseous cycle? Carbon, nitrogen, water, hydrosphere, water cycle, those come under gaseous cycles. So let's see carbon cycle. Carbon is a major constant of the atmosphere as compared to oxygen and nitrogen. However, without carbon dioxide, life could not exist because it is vital for the production of carbohydrates through photosynthesis by plants. It is an element that anchors all organic substances from coal and oil to DNA. Carbon is present in the atmosphere mainly in the form of carbon dioxide. Carbon cycle involves a continuous exchange of carbon between atmosphere and organisms. Carbon from the atmosphere moves to green plants by the process of photosynthesis and to animals by process of respiration and decomposition of dead organic matter returns to the atmosphere. This is known as it is usually a short-term cycle. Some carbon also enters a long-term cycle. It accumulates as undecomposed organic matter in the peaty layers of marshy soil or as insoluble carbonates in bottom sediments of aquatic systems, which take a long time to be released. In deep oceans, such carbon can remain buried for millions of years till geological movement may lift these rocks above the sea level.